This time, I would like to share with you 6 urban legends about Saturn. Saturn has a very characteristic appearance even in the solar system. The beautiful estate. Forests have captured people's imagination since ancient times, although fascinating from a scientific point of view. With its enigmatic aura, it fuels urban legends and conspiracies. The Saturn legend. From ancient myths and religious elements to modern UFO and alien theories, covers a broad spectrum of genres. Now let's introduce some representative urban legends related to Saturn. I aim to explore the background and specifics. The theory that Saturn's rings are spaceship wreckage. Saturn's characteristic folk tool. One of the most notable objects in the solar system, there is a theory that this beautiful ring is the wreckage of a spacecraft. According to this theory, an advanced EC civilization once existed around Saturn. It is said that the huge spaceships and man-made structures left behind by that civilization collapsed to form the current ring. The rings are very thin. Despite being composed of particles of ice and rock, some argue that its arrangement and scale cannot be explained by natural phenomena. This urban legend, especially linked to conspiracy theories about UFOs and aliens. It is sometimes claimed that NASA is hiding this fact. A few conspiracy enthusiasts. NASA processed images taken by the Saturn probe Cassini. They claim to be hiding technology and giant structures that exist in the forest. Scientifically, Saturn's rings are natural phenomena formed over hundreds of millions of years. It consists mainly of ice and rock perimeter, but because the shape and structure of the rings appear so regular, people suspect that this is an artificial object. It is being done. Saturn's hexagon mystery. Alien megabase hypothesis. The strange hexagonal cloud structure present at Saturn's North Pole is also. It has been the subject of many urban legends and conspiracy theories. This hexagonal pattern that appears in Saturn's atmosphere, giant form around 30,000 kilometers, and people who feel that its regular hexagonal shape is abnormal as a natural phenomenon have come to think that it is part of a huge base built by aliens. According to the theory, in the center of the hexagon lies a huge device controlled by alien technology. It is said that it uses Saturn's magnetic field and energy to operate. In addition, there are claims that the base serves as a wormhole or hyperspace drive-like device used by advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. In fact, this hexagon originated in Saturn's atmosphere, formed by the dynamics of the wind and vortex. Scientists explain this as a result of fluid dynamics, but its extraordinary regularity and enormity, it is one of the causes of such urban legends. Saturn is a symbol of Satan worship and conspiracy theories. Another urban legend associated with Saturn is that religion and the occult. A theory symbolizing satanic worship in conspiracy contexts. This idea springs from ancient Roman and Greek myths. Saturn, god of time. Saturn Kronos in Greek mythology. Derived from being associated with Kronos is often depicted as a god who eats his own children. Women have been considered to symbolize its ruthlessness and destructive nature. This mythical background is associated with Saturn worship and Satanism in modern conspiracy theories. Saturn is demonic. It became a symbol of power. Among conspiracy theorists, the elites and secret societies of the world worship the symbol of Saturn. Some claim to derive power from it. Saturn's hexagonal cloud structure is also associated with this symbol of satanic worship. Its connection to the six-pointed star, the sign of the devil, is debated. Moreover, Saturn's rings, it is also interpreted as symbolizing control and power. The circular shape of a wedding ring or crown, the grounds, said to connect with stellar rings. Arguments have been made that Saturn-worshipping forces profoundly influence human culture and precision. The theory that Titan, a moon of Saturn, has the future of humanity. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, it has been the subject of many urban legends. Titan is the only moon confirmed to have a hot atmosphere and Earth-like liquid. There are lakes of liquid methane and ethane. Thus, the theory spread that extraterrestrial life exists on Titan. In particular, since Titan's atmosphere is similar to Earth's atomic atmosphere, A theory has developed that Titan is the future face of Earth and the next planet to which humanity migrates. In this legend, if Earth becomes uninhabitable, Titan is supposed to be humanity's new home. NASA's space agency is planning an exploration mission to Titan. Supports this notion. Some argue that there are already human and alien colonies on Titan. Scientists have seriously investigating the possibility of the existence of traces of life on Titan. The presence of liquids and the discovery of organic compounds are expected. Currently, the existence of life has not been confirmed, but such unknown possibilities. Sex fuels urban legends. Future scenarios set on Titan have become widely talked about. The theory that Saturn was once the center of the solar system. There is also an unusual urban legend that Saturn was once the center of the solar system. According to this theory, Saturn shone like the current sun in ancient times. It suggests the idea that the history of the solar system is very different from the current astronomical understanding. In this view, Saturn plays an important role as the primordial center of the solar system. It was then supposedly moved to its current position by some large celestial event. This kind of thinking is found in ancient myths and religious texts. Dark sun and another star linked to the depiction. It gives birth to the interpretation that Saturn was once worshipped as a dark sun. In modern science, this theory lacks support. Mystical views of ancient civilizations and speculations on parts that modern astronomy has not yet elucidated. Behind these urban legends. 6. The theory that the sound of Saturn's rings is a message from the universe. Another interesting urban legend about Saturn's rings is that they carry messages from space. Among the data sent by the female probe Cassini, contains sound waves and vibrations emitted by Saturn's rings. This can be interpreted as a specific pattern or message. In this tale, Saturn's rings are said to be a means of communication from cosmic consciousness and construction beings. It is interpreted especially from a spiritual point of view. Those who support this theory, sounds and vibrations from Saturn's rings. I believe it is a message and a warning to us humanity. Music and rhythm. The harmonizing wave concept. It is interpreted as a message from the universe, and Saturn's rings are said to be the place of expression. In particular, it is often said to be a message about the harmony of the universe and the growth of human consciousness. Scientifically, these sound waves are understood to be phenomena generated by the movement of particles that make up Saturn's rings and fluctuations in the atmosphere. To interpret this as a mystical message of the cosmic pathway, it can be said that it reflects people's longing and hope for power and consciousness. Overall, Saturn, from its beautiful rings and mysterious moons, from ancient myths to modern urban legends, Diversitalis has created theory that the rings are spaceship debris. The hexagon is the base of the alien, claimed to be Earth. Satanic worship and conspiracy ties. Possible future Titan migration. The claim that Saturn was once the center of the solar system. Even the concept of cosmic messages from rings. Urban legends about Saturn are varied. These legends are born out of our interest in the mysteries and unknown beings of the universe. Plays an important role at the intersection of science and mystery. As Saturn exploration progresses, these urban legends will continue to be interpreted and expanded. And the many mysteries and beauties Saturn offers us will continue to attract people's hearts in the future. Challenging the mysteries of the universe. Beyond science, it shows that it also has great significance in human culture and spirit. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.